So we're testing a sink for a possible venting issue. The drain line is clear. So we have a full sink. And it's draining right now, but it's draining really, really slow. We took off the trap, the down pipe, everything's looking good, but it just drains really slow, as you can see. So now what we're gonna do, it's still draining. We're gonna fill it back up here, and we're gonna use a straw, put it in here, blow into it to open up the straw, fill it full of air, and then leave the straw there and let it vent through the straw and see if it drains quicker. So it's not draining good right now. Venting issue.